Let's write two more helper functions. The first one is going to check if our email and password text fields are completed. Otherwise, we are going to show an error to our user. So say private func, and we say text fields have text. And this is going to return a boolean. They either have text or they don't have. So we are going to say return, and then I will say email text field dot text is not equals to empty string, and password text field dot text is not equals empty string. So if this is correct, both of them, then we're going to return true. Otherwise, we're going to return false, that one of text field is not full. And then I'm going to put a mark and call this activity indicator. And we're going to show and hide our loading indicator. So we say private func show loading indicator. And also we're going to have a function. Let's just copy and paste this one, and just we say hide loading indicator. So whenever we want to hide our loading indicator, let me just put this here. What we are going to do is say if activity indicator is not equals to nil. So we are checking if this is initialized or no, and if it is, we are going to say activity indicator unwrap this dot remove from super view, and then we say activity indicator unwrap stop animating. So this is all for hide, just getting rid of extra empty lines here. And in order to show our activity indicator, again we're going to say if activity indicator is not equals to nil, I'm going to say add our activity indicator to our view so we can show it, and then we will start animating it. So we say self dot view dot add subview, and subview is going to be our activity indicator, and we can unwrap this because we just checked that it's not nil. And then we say activity indicator start animating. So these are our helper functions which will be used inside our button calls here.